Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix location on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and take a photo or a video. Tap on the sticker icon to your right. Here, if you are not able to see the location icon, go ahead and exit Snapchat to fix it. Now go ahead and open Snapchat settings on your mobile device. Tap on Permissions. Allow Snapchat to access your location. Now go ahead and return back to Snapchat. Tap on the sticker icon once again. If you're still not able to see the location icon, it's probably because you have not turned on location on your mobile device. Turn on your location on your mobile device. Now go ahead and take a new photo once again. Now, if you tap on the sticker icon, you will be able to see the location option. And that's it. This is how you fix location on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.